Yes, this again is my 1976 Lakewood S-223 first generation box fan in Terracotta Orange. But, look what I got it on. Yep, I got this stand off eBay as well. The stand came right with the late 1978 Lakewood second generation S-223 that I also won on eBay. And I decided to take the stand and put it on my favorite Lakewood box fan, as you can see. As you can see, this stand is not a real Lakewood stand. I think it's one of these generic box fan stands that can go on just about any 20-inch box fan. Kind of looks like the kind you find on those Lasko built box fans from the 70s and 80s, which are branded Lasko, Galaxy, Sears, etc. But I must say, this fan really looks good on it. I think the terracotta paint job really looks good with this chrome stand. From the sides. Back. And the Westinghouse motor. And all that. Generally, when I use this fan on the stand, I generally tilt it like this so the air blows right on me. You know, since this is my bedroom fan and of course my favorite, that's why I chose to put it on here. Now since on the stand, blowing right on me, I now only use this fan at night. But still use the Galaxy during the day when I'm home. So, now we'll fire up again. In Loco 91's words, here's high. Medium, sun. And low. Back to high. And off. And that's my 1976 Lakewood S-223 on its new stand. Thanks for watching, everybody, and good day to all.